Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by www.learningarabicwithangela.com. 100% free Arabic learning resources for everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Find me on Facebook, just search for Learning Arabic with Angela to get daily Arabic learning tips and resources in your Facebook feed. In this lesson, you will learn about personal pronouns in Arabic, الضمائر. First person. أنا, I, أنا. نحن, we, نحن. Second person. أنت, you for the masculine. أنت. أنتِ, you for the feminine. أنتِ. أنت. أنتِ. أنتما, you for two people. أنتما. أنتم, you for the plural masculine. أنتم. When there are three or more people, at least one of them is a male. أنتن, you for the plural feminine when there are three or more females, only females. أنتن with a geminated noon. أنتن. Let's review the pronouns for the second person. أنت, you for the masculine. أنتِ, you for the feminine. أنت, أنتِ. For the rest of the pronouns, you're going to add أنتُ plus a suffix. So أنتُ plus ما, that means you for the dual when there are two people. أنتما, that means you too. أنتُ plus م, or the letter mim. أنتم, that means you for the plural masculine when there are three or more people, at least one of them is a male. And finally, أنتن, you for the feminine. أنتُ plus the geminated noon. ن, أنتن, when there are three or more females, so it is you for the plural feminine. Third person. هو, he, هو. هي, she, هي. هو, هي. هما, they, the two of them, or they for the dual. هما. هم, they for the plural masculine when there are three or more people, at least one of them is a male. هم. هن, they for the plural feminine when there are three or more females, all females. هن with a geminated noon. Let's review the pronouns for the third person. So we have هو, he, and هي for she. هو, هي. Remember the letter who with dhamma. Who. You will add it to other suffixes. Who plus ma is huma, which means they for the dual when there are two people. Huma. Who plus m, hum. That means they for the plural masculine when there are three or more people, at least one of them is a male. And who plus the geminated noon, na. So who plus na, hunna, means they for the plural feminine, three or more females, all females. Let's review all the pronouns all together. الضمائر, the pronouns. أنا, نحن, I and we. أنا, نحن. أنت, أنتِ, you for the masculine and you for the feminine. أنت, أنتِ. أنتما, you for the dual. أنتما. أنتم, you for the plural masculine. أنتم. أنتن, you for the plural feminine. أنتن. هو, هي. هو, he. هي, she. هما. They for the dual. That means when there are two people. هما. Hum. They for the plural masculine when there are three or more people, at least one of them is a male. Hunna. They for the plural feminine when there are three or more females, all females. Hunna. Did you know that there's no verb to be in Arabic? أنا طالب. أنا طالب. It means I am a student. أنا is I and طالب a student. So it literally translates to I, student. Since there is no verb to be in Arabic, so the pronoun in itself contains verb to be. So أنا طالب means I am a student. هو طالب. هو طالب. هو means he and طالب means a student. So the literal translation would be he, a student. هو طالب, since we don't have verb to be in Arabic. So the pronoun in itself contains verb to be. هو طالب. So for nominal sentences, like he is a student, the pronoun in itself contains verb to be. أكمل الجملة. Complete the sentence. أكمل الجملة. الجملة الأولى, the first sentence. من في السوق? Who's in the market? Choose from the column on the left. هم في السوق. هو في السوق. هي في السوق. هما في السوق. الإجابة الصحيحة, the right answer is هو في السوق. الجملة التالية, the next sentence. هي في السوق. So هو في السوق, he is in the market, and هي في السوق, she is in the market. أكمل الجملة. سعيد means happy for the singular and سعداء means happy in the plural. من يشعر بالسعادة? Who's feeling happy? Choose the right pronoun for each sentence. الجملة الأولى, the first sentence. Is it أنا, نحن, أنت أم أنت سعيد؟ الإجابة الصحيحة, the right answer is أنا سعيد. الجملة التالية, the next sentence. نحن سعداء. We are happy. نحن سعداء. هو في السوق. هما في السوق. هم في السوق. هي في السوق. ما الجواب الصحيح؟ What's the right answer? هما في السوق. هما في السوق. الجملة التالية, the next sentence. هم في السوق. هم في السوق. أنت طالبة. أنتم طالبة. أنت طالبة. أنتما طالبة. ما الجواب الصحيح؟ أنت طالبة. أنت طالبة. طلاب. أنت طلاب. أنتم طلاب. أنت طلاب. أنتما طلاب. الجواب الصحيح أنتم طلاب. أنتم طلاب. أحسنتم. Good job. And now that you've learned all the pronouns in Arabic, a piece of advice, if you're learning on your own especially, is that not to attempt to try and memorize all of them in one go and use them all. So it would be a good idea to gradually incorporate them into your learning plan. So first of all, start by the pronouns I, أنا, and أنت, أنتِ, that is you for the masculine and feminine, and هو, هي, he and she. And then after, at a later stage, you can incorporate the plural nouns and then the dual pronouns and conjugate verbs with them. So that would be a more realistic approach. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified of any new videos. Again, find me on Facebook. If you haven't already, just search for Learning Arabic with Angela. Visit the blog www.learningarabicwithangela.com to get free, unlimited downloads and resources in Arabic learning. Thank you, and until we meet again in the next video.